I know the Baba, I know the. Alright, so you are welcome to the MX Social Show. My name is Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. Now, you know, I'm here to do agenda. You see, when you run on social media throughout the week, I'm here just to set agenda for you people. I know your favorite is going to be part of the conversation, but you don't have to worry, because if you worry, you just worry yourself and everything is going to be worried. What am I even saying? Anyway, you're welcome to the MX Social Show. The name is Sheldon, and I have compiled a lot of things that trended on social media, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. We have had an eventful week. And you must see Ankasa. But you see, before we even go talk about the stories and the topics, and you see, Ghana where they make my body. Ask me who drew me. How do I go talk that thing in English? My body has degraded because we be hypocrites. Hey, you see, when Akuapem Poloo was arrested, public outcry, social media hashtag, everybody was sympathizing with the person. Empathy everywhere. Celebrities were crying in videos. I know it was fake, but we will take it like that. So yes, they did all what they had to do to make sure Akuapem Poloo is out and all those things. It didn't do anything good or yield any results. She was locked up. Recently, Nana Agrada was arrested. I was expecting the same energy, hashtag and all those things. No celebrity even cried. Nobody tweeted anything. Like, why? I don't understand, because I don't know. Nana Agrada is a celebrity in my books. You understand? So when things like this happen to someone like that, I don't know. You people argue, say Akuapem Poloo has a child, so who is going to take care? Nana Agrada too has gods. Who was going to pour libation? Who was going to spread the quick and things? No, you see, we have to. If you want justice, it's supposed to be equitable distribution. You can't be crying for. I was expecting DKB to set up a GoFundMe account for Nana Agrada, Reggie Rockstone to cry, and all that. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. That thing is not nice. You people should stop that thing. Everything, we have to be equal in distributing the empathies. What I say. So the same way people cried for Akuapem Poloo, do same for Agrada, because Agradizi has been contributing to, the Sika guy has been contributing to the Kaswa economy. You people don't know. Go do the economics there, see. But anyway, Ghana fungus are hypocrisy in their doors, but we mean what they say. So yes, join the conversation on our social media or on social media with the hashtag MXSocial. Follow us MX24GH. I'm going to read some of your comments. And Charlie, it is about to go down, but I dey come. Me call commercial break about this year. What I say, me ba this year. I dey come.
Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call,
say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture.
and I like book.
Why the party there today? Hey mama, hey I ever say. Secure.
Go on, my people. Welcome to XK.
A boy's body count and a girl's body count matter differently.
Wow, ladies.
Probably an experience, something that happened.
Is it a deal breaker in a relationship?
No.
The X Cave, and this show focuses on topics that are hot on the lips of our young people and presents it in an open, honest conversation.
Oh, look at him, he's crying, he's such a girl.
In other words, there are no liars on our show.
The man is the head of the home. The man is, quote unquote, the breadwinner.
We come here with the truth.
When you talk of something being toxic, it's something which is harmful or unpleasant.
Stay glued to the television for the hottest show on TV.
Okay, so you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. My name is Sheldon, Lil Duku, and the head is big for a reason. As I said, we have had an eventful week. A lot of things have happened, and my job is to curate the content and come and give it to you straight, side by side, anyhow you want time. And today I have some squad with me. You understand? I know them on Twitter, the Bed app. Yes, they are. One is a YouTuber, one is a student and an influencer. Madam, what's up?
Cool.
If I should introduce you, meet me in your side, man.
All right. My name is Rukky, a student of GIG.
GIG?
Yep.
Man, I'm mostly in school fees now then.
Oh, Charlie, bro.
So they say what? They say what?
Oh, they resolved them already.
Ah, okay. Charlie, what happened? So the YouTube see kind of around there.
How do you watch you?
Oh, nah.
Because I'm a Jimmy CK if you want.
The way you start, where you speed up, where you come and mass down.
No. Your record, it could be hard to break
down. You do that Ghana thing, so hey, you are boss, no.
No. You know, say me, I dey like your matter. I dey pet you for that level. You yourself, your videos, you dey see the whole Ghana, nobody go feel I mass this now. It's true, it's facts. It's facts. No, it's facts.
Anyway, but
I really respect you for that. Thank you as well.
You they do the breakdown song, right? You react to songs.
Yeah.
Charlie, everything good. The copyright issue there, we'll find some time.
The copyright, yeah, it's true.
But you see, let's go straight into the stories. The first one is let's talk about. You see, this is related to YouTube, so let's talk about the Stonebwoy issue with the views buying and all those things.
Yeah.
Now let me start with you. You have seen it, right?
Sure.
You've seen the conversation. Do you think he bought the views? Do you think he bought it?
Well, I don't think he bought those views.
For those of you who don't know the backstory, he released a song titled Blessings. And the video amassed 1 million views in a day, right?
Yeah.
1 million views in a day. Normally, when they release song, they take like a week, 2 weeks, a month to get a 1 million. But this time around, your man got 1 million views in a day. He featured Vic Mensa on this song. People were saying, it is because of Vic Mensa's presence on the song. But when you go to Vic Mensa's YouTube page, I don't know 1 million. What they say. So that argument is some way what they say. So first of all, do you think he bought it?
Well, I don't think he bought it.
You think Facebook Stonebwoy can amass 1 million views organic?
Stonebwoy is a big star. It's not that maybe he's an underground artist or something. So when they said Indians, right?
Yeah. Please, do you have a screenshot of the distribution, how people consume or where they consume the content from? When you look at it, majority or a huge number of the consumers are coming from India. I have never heard of
Bangladesh.
I beg, show me the screenshot. Because Bangladesh, Vietnam, India. Look, India for 900K plus. I've never heard Stonebwoy talk about the fact that he has a fan base in India. You understand? You started your music career in this country. Let's not get it twisted. So if there's any consumption, surge and all those things, it should come from this side. I'm not saying it should be equivalent to all those things, but Ghana should basically be on the list.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Or on top of the list. Now, India people are giving your man close to 1 million views on that particular music video or the music videos. Meanwhile, your man say, I don't understand. I mean, it's a prank. Yeah, them saw they watch music.
No, the reason why it is so is that you see in Ghana here, it is very difficult for an artist to, get such a views in a short period. Yeah. And you see when they get the views, they'll be like, hey, let's say 1 million views. Thank you and all those stuff. Yeah. So it's not really clear that artists from Ghana say or when that kind of views within a short time. Okay, you dare YouTube.
Yeah.
Let me hear what you think about the issue.
So for me, I wouldn't say Stonebwoy bought the views. Maybe someone bought the views for him. Because you, Sheldon, you're a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Unim send a YouTube neko.
Yeah.
I think the views is not organic.
Yeah, it's not organic. That's what I want people to understand.
Yeah, the
views is not organic.
It's not organic. It's fake. And it was bought for him.
Yeah.
The metrics shows that the views is coming from India, Bangladesh.
Vietnam.
Almost some internet cafes or computers, no? Almost load this service.
Yeah.
So when you go to the service, like the way people buy fake Twitter followers, no?
Yeah.
All the account in Ishema, then they will load it.
Yeah.
Machines now be from so I pin or India so the views there is not real. It's fake.
So that is the thing that his fan base, they understand. They are trying to do.
And also you're a YouTuber. If the views are like real, you know how the YouTube algorithm works.
Yeah. And
if he was able to amass 1 million views in a day, by now he should have 10 million views.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And even listen, the views should correspond with the engagement.
The comments, the likes and everything.
Yeah. So everything was off. When we raised the issue, they said we the hate. How are we?
That's what I'm saying. Stonebwoy himself, I can't say he bought it. Maybe someone that likes Stonebwoy bought it for him.
But it is Stonebwoy's name out there, so he should be concerned. He should be worried.
Now he was celebrating it, so yeah, it's true.
No, but you can't celebrate this.
I don't know why Ghanaians even celebrate 1 million views.
You understand?
Like
that is
Angola,
mediocre.
people get 80 million.
To
Angola here now, people are getting 40 million, 80 million.
So you think we celebrate mediocrity?
Oh yeah, fact.
Because 1 million views.
You can compare Nigeria and population and the other. Jamaica. Omu do Accra population.
But then still they get.
Then they get the views.
So what just say anyum the
Banku.
Banku music. Full Banku music.
Banku.
Asama can you go Twitter on you.
Banku. But then we have good music, but most of it is.
No, but you see, I don't understand why they are mad. He's not the first artist to have bought views.
I think they did it because it had a Vic Mensa on it.
No, but if you wanted to use the Vic Mensa power to
not the Vic Mensa power to put the good name out there. Okay, Stonebwoy feature Vic Mensa and think, okay, yeah, Stonebwoy is big in Ghana. Okay,
so you should bring Pragya and those people.
Even this guy, Yao Tog, he had that views because of Stormzy's influence.
But that was organic.
Organic, yeah. It was on the trend.
A song, it took about a day for it to trend.
Yeah.
People had to go and consume it organically.
Yeah.
But this one, it was so off and people just didn't understand.
Because it had like 30K views for hours. And immediately it shot up to 500,000. Nah, bro.
Up to now, the likes hasn't exceeded 20 something.
See, let me show you how YouTube works. YouTube is there to make money.
Yeah.
So when your videos can get people to keep the people on the platform, they will promote the video themselves.
Yeah.
So if your video can get 1 million views in a day, YouTube algorithm will pick it themselves. Yeah. They will show it to the rest of the world.
Because the video is relevant to them.
Yeah, so it's making them money for them to show adverts to the people.
Yeah.
And now the video is at 1.7 million.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. Nah, it should be more than that.
Yeah, in fact.
By now, it should be like 10 million.
And to the tennis, we don't hate. See, me, I don't hate any artist. He's not the first artist to have bought views. But at the end of the day, that is the fact.
But you know, the views, they can buy it in a real way, like Google AdSense, Google Ads.
Yeah, I mean,
but they go to the fake website to do the Bangladesh.
There are ways and means to get the views. You can target and get like authentic organic
views.
That is acceptable.
Yeah.
Because other artists,
there's skippable ads like this. Yeah.
You can target and Mr. Easy has been doing it.
He's doing it. Even this guy, Tekashi 69.
Yeah.
He broke Eminem's record and was still running ads on Google Ads.
But you can't go to India and call.
No.
It doesn't work that way. Yeah. We have said it. If you don't understand, for a channel, transform this one. No, you have to say it. Anyway, so that is the Stonebwoy side of things. Let's move on to the next one. Amrado.
Yeah.
Yes, he walked out in an interview. He was being asked some unnecessary questions. Me personally, and come studio more on the man, we go throw on our hands because I like
violence.
Violence. Please, we are on TV.
You really like violence?
Yes. Because I don't understand how or why you will invite an artist to your studio to come and promote his song.
Yeah.
Now the person has come, you want to talk about another artist. No, it is the relationship or whatever no day. You just want to force things out of the person's mouth. The person is saying, I don't want to talk about this. You are still forcing. What kind of journalism is this? You attend GIG. Is that what you have been teaching you people over there?
Oh, that
no, but you see, I don't understand.
Sometimes to the interviewers, they find ways and means to get you to say what you don't want to say.
Yeah, but the person insists, I don't want to comment about this issue. I don't want to comment about this.
So I supported what you did.
Yeah.
It's very right.
Yeah. And it is not the first time. They did it to when, like, imagine, say you...
They did it to Boje. They were asking him, is your Sarkodie, is your talk bigger than Sarkodie?
Are you crazy?
Can you ask that
unnecessary comparisons?
bro? Come on, man.
But video, you will see how the person wasn't interested in answering, but they were forcing.
I support what he did.
Nobody is saying that.
I'm on phone. I come to. I just want.
They can say it. Okay, next question. Next question. I mean, person TV about Sarkodie.
I don't know person TV
because I came here to promote my song, and it's about time I. Sarkodie did when an artist comes on an interview.
But what the me be sound say? I just want person clear air no with me here. So I said, me be sound question. And I me choose question person me be sound.
Me so na me choose send you be say Aguaba. I said you ne no. So me yamo ona oye onwa me yamo na odi egu janim. So one fan su a ne me be ma cha e mo no be say be da ne mutu. Enti na abotrema e mo no na me so me nchema de say it's about time a young artist go interviewer. Eni kwan say ye de bia na Sarkodie e na Sarkodie aden.
But you tum say who share Sarkodie?
Min share Sarkodie because of smoking na me.
Enya no kwa.
110 now be between the necessary workers amrado.
No,
Sarkodie is not the only person who be a picture or smoky. Shatole has done it. Manifest has done it. So and picture but I am getting very pissed because it's about time a young artist interviewer and you can say
no. Nyabotre. Me na be bisa question.
Okay.
Don't lose your temper here, Miss Rowe. Me na me throw for interview. What the question as it? Etim patrol Jimano. Simple. Na Sarkodie e de no koda. Say the be uko interview bi no be bisa obi. So who answer straightforward here. I don't think say obi uko baby bisa obi. I don't see anything wrong about Sarkodie. I think say you bisa question about Sarkodie krapo na eboa. I don't know why I will lose your temper.
Ubusame question na me be interview na kan Sarkodie asema. Uni me me. I feel like me hard work now me putting in no. Yam fan to Jani they begin and me interviews him. And I mean quiet the young bebre. It's about time we speak up for ourselves. We shouldn't bring Sarkodie's name into an interview in which he's not relevant. Because when he comes here right now, they wouldn't talk about Amrado.
Exactly.
My 10.
Exactly. Look at Amrado schooling someone who is supposed to know his job. This is so outrageous. Like they did it when the share quarter interviews they go beside say, are you sleeping with bullet? No. He's sleeping with the mattress and pillows. Just saying.
Arbitrary.
Why? Like you see, you talk. Kasa.
And I'm a kind the same thing on the about say is Sarkodie better than is your talk better than Sarkodie? How can you ask this question? But what I think is social media is taking over. Yeah, so these radio stations and TV stations they are going down.
So you think this is a test for eyeballs and attention?
Yes, for attention for the radio station.
But how can you sacrifice someone's airtime for an attention for your show? I mean, if you need attention, you can go to 37 military men or no.
Yeah.
What they are saying.
Yeah.
You can't do this to an artist. He has a song out.
They always do that. And Ghana, the three biggest artists are called the Stonebwoy, Shatawale. So always, they try to use these people to get attention. GIG,
no. Uko GIG. Is this part of the strategy?
Oh no.
What do you think about this issue? Like you are an artist who could promote you.
Like I came to promote my music and nothing else, so it should be about my music. You shouldn't, bring any other.
So you think
as he said, he said if Sarkodie comes to sit down, they won't talk about him. Yeah. So it shouldn't be like that.
So you think the artist, if in cases like this or in situations like this, he has the right to walk out?
Oh yeah.
And people were saying that he was rude and arrogant
no.
You know the Ghanaian kind of. But the person
he told the guy that if you keep asking me, I'm going to walk out.
Exactly.
And he kept asking and he walked out.
And I feel like more artists when they do this.
Yeah.
If you're on the, you see, they bait them, and when they say something, like, they use it for.
Then to be like, yo, you are hating on Sarkodie.
You understand?
And the guy too is feeding on Sark Nation and Shatawale's fan base and stuff. So if you are pitching him against the
exactly,
the
and Sarkodie put this guy on
BB Boy, yeah.
So like. Come on, man. We can do better. We can do better. We like I like agenda. Nobody like agenda passing.
That was what they did to Kelvin Boy, and then it brought problems.
You understand? They just always when they do this thing and they come and blame this and we don't like our people and you see
support your own.
Support your own. Yeah. If Obi Abaso be promoting in your man, why are you not promoting it? So why do you want the person to say something that will get you eyeballs and attention?
It's crazy.
Okay. I'll get your time. Time. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. So the next one is quite a voluminous story or whatever it is. Nana Agra that's issue. Now she was arrested this week for operating illegally. Apparently, it wasn't the Sika Gari thing, but
I wasn't the Sika Gari.
Yeah, so the main reason she was arrested was that she was operating. She has this standard TV, and I think they said ICE. So she was operating illegally, and she has been operating for a very long time, for a while now, and people are like, so. I mean, people raised issues about the fact that the content she show on her channel, you know, exactly. So they went to arrest her. But you see that the Ghana on a system be reactionary. You understand? If this Sika Gari and those people no come out, they not gonna say I got that day there they operate with illegal certificate or get certificate or
even
license.
the thing that happened in Kaswa, they killing the child like this.
If that issue no pop up, like they not gonna say this is the kind of and that is what I hate about our system in this country.
Something has to happen before they
address an issue. They shut down 49 TV stations operating. You understand? So you want to tell me say the MCA they didn't see this? What?
Sheldon, people have been raising concerns, but something needs to happen before it is.
So we have to wait for something bad to happen before we go like we are doing our job.
I said these politicians, they will come and drill your road when it's getting close to election. They don't do it too. Like the 4 years that they are there, or they will never do it. But when it's close to election, before they will come and be like they are coming to do your road for you to vote for them. So they will never act until something is about to happen.
Madina, some time ago when a car hit
the footbridge,
the footbridge,
So the girl had to die before they
build the footbridge. But they build the footbridge, and they are not using it unless you have to wear security. Anyway, I have the video of the and then come out and I say she did do some skirmish with it. More video anymore, but she tired pass. Nana Agra that ask them come out time no. There's not really arrest time again. Just said the girls,
bro.
Show me the video.
Another case, you say a for a case. I said my baby not no so here come and was
Agradizi, if we are saying that this woman will tire, as she come out now, they say we are going back again. But like
rearrested. It's crazy, so, man.
You see, I don't know, but the Ofori issue, I think Ofori defamation or whatever it is. So, but I think she's been granted bail and all those things. But what do you think about this whole drama and things?
But I want to ask: is it only Agra that is, frauding people the way she is?
Oh no, I'm not asking more power. So, like, it matter with the talk right now. I'm sure that there are other people out there. They are doing the same things.
So they should, gather all of them and then.
So the gathering requires a lot of effort. You understand? When a system know the work.
Because she's not the only one I've been seeing on TV. Like there
you
are
get
so
evidence,
many...
you go choke somebody right now. Media go encourage you.
I don't know where they
report
like
them.
I go.
Do you know any man do somebody?
The Malams right now, then they everywhere. Social media.
Listen,
like everywhere. On radio, like.
But you see, she was arrested because she. Let's deal with the Sika Gari man. She wasn't arrested because of that. She was arrested because she was operating illegally without a TV, whatever license, whatever they call them. And my argument is, we sat down for some things to happen before we could fish her out and all those things. Do you think when a system for this country be ineffective when it comes to fishing out some of these things? Because after her arrest, the NCA people or the Minister for Communication, who supposed to say they are going to shut down 49 operating illegally operating TV stations. These TV stations, some of them are available on. I don't want to mention it, but you know where you can find them. They are there. They have been there. They've been operating 1, 2, 3 years. And some of the names. Apple TV, Kiss TV, What TV. Our system is the ineffectiveness.
The system is not working.
Let me look at some of the names. Look, Lion TV, BOC TV, Cash TV, Next TV, Eja Kofabaya TV. Where are the Grammy,
bro?
If you look at democracy, everyone is free to do.
Look at all these things. Me say Dino Possh should turn you off. Chief TV, Ahotoswa TV.
I think what they are doing is right. They should shut them down. Like the way we have MX TV, just MX TV is for entertainment.
Yeah, we have license.
Yeah, we have no. I'm just saying
MX
something.
for your license.
MX TV, no. Yeah, I'm saying okay, MX TV is just for entertainment. Yeah, another TV channel just for sports. Another TV channel just for news. Now this more like crazy TV stations, so you shut them down. Because right now, Obinya is kaki to be performing in TV stations.
Yeah, I don't understand. Sheldon, it's not only TV. Like radio stations, it's
thank
you. Midnight hour dano, bear 1, 2, 1. Not lot of four, not more fresh. So you really see, like people are really desperate.
Yeah. Me, my worry is those people giving the lotto numbers. Why don't they play the lotto themselves?
That's the problem.
And I only also fraud you.
Anyway, but let's get back. The issue we say, the thing that they try to talk about, we say, you see, this 49, some of them are still operating. I don't know when they are going to shut them down. 49. So, as I said, we have to sit down.
Yeah.
Bro, for the crowd, yeah, blow.
Yeah, blow.
Anyway, so what I'm saying is that when it comes to some of these things, we don't have to sit down for some things to happen before we do this thing. Because I'm sure, sir, I don't know. There is supposed to be a regulatory body.
Yeah.
Seeing to say these things are not happening. But you see,
I think that's the NCA, but they are
yes,
not.
They are there, but they are not.
I don't know. Like you come and announce for us to give you funds or what?
The system is not working.
The system is twerking. That is exactly what I've been preaching.
It's twerking.
Because if it was effective, this thing shouldn't be happening.
Yeah.
Like why? Why?
The system is twerking.
You have to wait. You could be enough for now. And this and that. And now starting hashtag. Come on, man.
Ghana for you.
Anyway, so yes, that is the National Communications Authority. That is the presser they released. You know, NCA shutting down 49 illegally operating stations in the country. This is your job. I'm not going to clap for you. We're supposed to do this before this thing happened. So yes, but when I did a video about this, people came in the comment section and said they are enjoying the TV station. It's still on. Okay, so yes, that'll be the thing. I hope they have shut it down. And we are going to move on with our lives. But we shouldn't wait for things like this to happen so that we can't sit here and write letters and all those things. You know, they make sense, what they are saying. Now, let me read some of the comments we have on our Facebook page. This one is from Pop G. I'm watching you live from Tema Community 25. You are great. Okay, so this one is from Blessing Chiso. You say, here for Malik, hashtag Mo Squad. Yeah, your squad someday.
Mo Squad.
This one is from Ahinkan Kofi Asante. Say, Sheldon, I'm watching you live. Agradizzi to me is not a celebrity. If you Sheldon want a hashtag, tell the girls to do so. But the girls, they are not, you understand, they are not advanced. You see, there was this picture of Nana Grada in a shrine, a room.
Yeah.
Now, the drinks there, not champagne, in way. How do you put, hey! We moved from a petition to and Baileys and Sons.
God's normal chilling.
They've upgraded.
Air conditioning.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on, man. Anyway, let's move on. This one I say, Sheldon, for the GIJ girl in number, give me. I want to do some inquiries on the admission. It is on their website. You think they are slick, man? Please, let us all respect. Anyway, so. This one I'm rather safe. You get and me. I go this one now. That this is they know they need anyway. So yes, let's move on to our next topic. This one is this video. Mentiase. And if this thing is maybe this is I'm a job on TikTok. Everyone to like food and they buy them for outside. I stop because of this particular video. Now in this video, a woman is seen like what's a mash cake? Either you use blender
or your hand. Yeah.
This woman, I don't know what happened. Or then the night, he using leg in foot, step for the DJ bomb video. But it go bust your mind. When you try me, share. Look at that.
It's crazy.
I don't understand.
Wow.
When man now oh my God.
It's wickedness.
Mr. Maja, I'll stop the eat outside because look. And you, how can people be this wicked?
Yeah, it's just pure wickedness.
It's crazy.
Why?
Wow.
I don't know. Like this thing be some way.
Oh, you know what's happening now?
And this thing, I just want you if you are
Apropos ni nyama
now they are take ball la Sonia Jardin no the moon. Just impurities, organic impurities.
Then for arrest down.
I mean, the person's face wasn't seen. I don't know who.
Who was taking the video?
I mean, I think Jerry Justice on Adum FM made this video popular. I mean, he commented on it and all those things. But the person's face is not seen in the video, and it is sad. Like this is some of us. We don't feel the cook, so sometimes we go buy Burkina and all those things in traffic. Me that just say me tell the impurities a gumi because you
one no nyama
but you see what my eye no see. I know the thing you see right now at the
any time.
That is exactly what I've been saying.
Yeah.
If my eye no see, but this is sad.
So will you say you won't buy ice cream from anyone?
Oh no, I'm not doing it again. Oh come on. I have blend. I'm not going to ice cream. I have a blend because no.
This thing is crazy, bro.
Where are they now? By now somebody said, "Oh God, come on, man." Okay. They say what? The leg they make the masquerade is sweet.
I don't know why.
I don't know. Maybe they.
The hand they go fast. So.
No, but you see, there are ways and means.
Yeah.
You people have the Burkina, right? Sure. There are ways and means to make it presentable and all those things without going through this method. This is not acceptable. So if you want to do it in bulk, find machines and you see they always want to use a cheat code, but this is unhealthy.
This is very bad. This is totally.
When Kwadwo told you, who Kotono with the bread that goes will be now.
Oh, you are now I can say head.
Why head do me? It's
very bad. It's very bad. And can you chair the uncle?
Oh, and by now you're still questioning because anyway, so what I am talking about, this is what has been happening. I don't know. This is sad. This is not supposed to be happening. But anyway, we say there's always going to be that person that is always going to do things that don't make sense. This is one. This is, I don't know where it's a depression or it's a DU. But anyway, let's move on. Anyway, so let's move on to the next one. Prince Philip passed, and the British people, the Queen and her squad, they organized some sharp food. The church inside, they be like 3 people. They were practicing social distancing. So if they sit, you alone go feel they sit in a pew. So if you want a shoulder to cry on there, unless your Bible or something, everybody was sober and all those things.
Yeah.
I don't know what that funeral has got to do with the Ghanaian community in the UK. But they decided to organize a funeral for Prince Philip.
Sheldon. Ghana for like pray.
Phone and I say pray.
Pray because
no Ghana for one phone.
no, the argument should be a fool because how can you organize a funeral for your colonizer?
Yeah.
I
think something day back. They are getting something out of it.
What if they want to do it so that they renew their passport officer? Why?
Because it doesn't make sense.
Charlie, they
Cricket
soldier and some people they cry. Hey, Prince Philip,
bro.
Why? And me, I was shocked. Like, why? How can you do that? Like, something like that. How you feel about the whole thing? Like,
me,
don't concern you.
Yeah. I think you should name this.
You understand self-arrangement?
Yeah.
Self-arrangement.
And it's a disgrace.
But you some funeral like that, I mean you go attend.
Why?
Oh no, but maybe for jollof, funeral jollof. What's a funeral jollof? No, maybe they share jollof over there. There is a Ghana for go funeral because of jollof and so.
Yeah. It's true.
And they were wearing their Ghanaian.
Maybe I see some woman there. The woman they cry like he Prince Philip go school for Achimota or somewhere. Hey, the woman they cry like, hey, how damn you?
Wow.
How?
Wow.
How?
Ghana for you.
No, Ghana, we for set YouTube channel for Ghana.
Yeah.
So everything that happen, we go put them on because content in the door. So how can you just wake up, go hire canopy, plastic chairs, drums for them?
UK for no money say adiomo no.
I mean they did it there over there. I think like they Tottenham or something. So it was in their vicinity. So apparently, the white people or the people there, they will see them doing it. What is happening? Yeah.
they want to be first in everything.
No. You can't afford food. That be the thing.
Yeah.
Something no concern you. You go hire plastic chairs and
it's crazy. Hey, they was big.
They organize a bigger funeral than what the You see, the queen for outsourced the funeral to this people because I got jamming pa. Then we go hire a. I know.
Oh,
Mister, when you look at the pictures, oh, the queen they sit there cool, they finish no them. Yanum, hey, Prince Philippe,
bro.
Your people. Oh, come on, man.
You say your people.
Your people, Charlie. Them, it be hard, though. It be hard.
Bro.
Anyway, so that is what is happening with that. Okay, Anyway, so let's move on to the next one. Akuapem Poloo has been granted bail, 80,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, apparently she was released yesterday because when they announced the bail thing, she couldn't raise the money to do all those things. And when I'm hearing the Ghanaian celebrities say, they quite and hashtag me emotions because if we really wanted her,
like
you understand, nobody did. After there will be, oh God, what there?
Someone raising GoFund.
GoFund, I don't know. DKB, I say could be saying mobile money in a way. Yes, the kind of way. I mean, if it is with him, he's going to give it to her. But what do you think about me? I didn't understand. Say the person was jailed. I don't know much about the law, but she was jailed. But then later on, say.
No, I think the reason why she went inside it was because the lawyer couldn't finish the documentation that they needed. So I'm say court close here, so they couldn't submit the document. So since you cannot submit the document, you have to go back in.
Okay.
So the next day you come and do it. So when it's done, you come out from.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's what happened.
Anything But
what do you think about it? You see, like the one attitude and how we be reactionary towards something, and when it comes to actually doing things that are supposed to be effective and like help people now, we just.
I think because they say she's a celeb.
Why are they doing her? What you say? Akuapem Poloo low budget celeb.
No,
can't. What answer say in quote.
Okay, yes.
Why do you think she's a celebrity?
What are we celebrating her for? That was. Yeah.
But she met Cardi B.
Her sister.
Yes, Cardi B is her sister. But let's forget that. What do you? I mean, so like right now she's out. I don't know what you think about the whole issue, but as I said, the attitude that we have when it comes to actually doing things that are going to affect people, and we just being reactionary and emotional on social media. Like most of our celebrities, the people that cried and all those, when it was time for the bail thing, they all dipped.
There's a kind of new one.
No, they were. Well, when it was time for them to go, Charlie Akuapem Poloo, 80,000, everybody vanished. Will be deactivating the account.
Yeah.
But when it was time for hashtag, come on, Mr. Ghana celebrities there. Let me say some. No, everybody, all of the hypocrisy. A gyro from head to toe.
And I think it's follow back. I said Twitter. Twitter, when you tweet something and the first person that comes to comment something negative, the rest of the people will follow with negative stuff. So when someone raised the hashtag, this person will be like, okay, I have to join in.
I'm going to follow back.
Anyway,
so let's go for commercial break. We will come back. We have a few trending topics to talk about. We they go come back right now.
Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call,
say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture.
in the leg book, boa.
Where the party there today? Hey mama, hey I ever say. Secure.
What, my people? Welcome to X Cave.
A boy's body count and a girl's body count matter differently.
Wow, ladies. Probably an experience, something that happened.
Is it a deal breaker in a relationship?
No.
The X Cave, and this show focuses on topics that are hot on the lips of our young people and presents it in an open, honest conversation.
Oh, look at him, he's crying, he's such a girl.
In other words, there are no liars on our show.
The man is the head of the home. The man is, quote-unquote, the breadwinner.
We come here with the truth.
We talk of something being toxic. It's something which is harmful or unpleasant.
Stay glued to the television for the hottest show on TV.
Okay, so you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. Join the conversation with hashtag MX Social. Let me read some comments on our Twitter page. This one is from Nana Boa. She said, I think I'm Radu Bena walking out of the studio or showing respect to the host and the station. If you be me, Anka, you go here, where's Charlie boys be this one is to say, oh, Nana, you say the girls are to be blamed in relation to our garden story. This one, I'm Radu did the right thing. That is Shamoyo said, hey, and this one is from Nana. I said that's GH for you. If nothing happened, nothing good they happen. Oh, okay. So let's move on to the next story. Now this is a football story.
Okay.
Madam, open football.
Sheldon, will you forgive me?
Why?
Anything concerning football, dear.
Why?
Like, I don't understand anything. I have no.
What don't you understand? Until corner, throw, free kick, penalty.
Until football, so the end of basketball, they won't take it.
On goal, no crowd. You can say on goal. Say on goal.
Yeah, blow. I say on goal. Anyway,
off goal.
Offside goal. Anyway, so you know the Super League thing, the big clubs in
like
Europe,
15 teams.
Yes, they say they want to go and form the Super League.
Yeah.
Obviously, because monetary motivation and all. Yeah. And they announced the thing. I think today, the next day, everybody say, let's go back to the Champions League and all those things. Yeah. People have argued, say, the Super League idea be brilliant, but it was poorly executed by Florentino Perez and his squad. Because when you look at the monetary gains and the structures and all those things, if he had sat down to bring the whole concept out, well, I think say like it will make sense, because most of the people, the clubs, they went in for the money. Arsenal this, then they bleed past Arsenal. So players no crowd that no want Sikato for the club owners will take. They being sellers.
Even Madrid and Barcelona.
Everybody is owned except Manchester United. We have money. Yes, we say United.
But what, Chelsea and City that
same. Yeah.
Wow.
You know the most expensive when it comes to valuation.
Most expensive then.
When it comes to valuation, Manchester United be like the second most valuable club in the world. For what? If you are seeing forget it. We read you or somewhere. If we don't fact check. Anyway, what do you think about the Super League thing? Like what happened? It happened like all of a sudden. Then. Yeah. But you see the fact that Florentino Perez.
Yeah.
Florentino Perez. Yeah. And you see they were able to halt, like football came to a halt.
Yeah.
Do you think that in some years to come, we will have this kind of thing again? Like
it will come back, because that wasn't the first time they attempted it.
Yeah.
And they tried doing it this time because of the coronavirus. Because virus no hit and
a lot of clubs.
People were not going to stadiums. Yeah. They are not selling tickets. So a lot of clubs were going down in terms of monetary aspects. So they had to come in this time. And also because of Champions League. Yeah. 2024, one person will change the way they are playing it. Okay. And it's similar to what the Super League was trying to do. So it was the best time to come in. But the main thing was the money aspect.
Yeah, the money.
Because all the 15 teams, they were getting 3.5 billion
for participating.
Just being part. Yeah. Every year you get that money.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Real Madrid, like they are in debt like 1 billion. So Ojiya you 1 billion be the yeah. So they were going in for the money. Arsenal they
Now I mean they say they are looking for elite clubs in Europe. Now Arsenal should be actually.
No, they were only the 15 clubs, they were not selecting the club based on you are a good team on. It's the fan base.
No, but I mean, Arsenal, really?
It's a fan base because when they get the fan base, they are going to shut down Europa, Champions League, Premier League, and everything. Because when Chelsea is in, Chelsea fans are going to support the Super League. Real Madrid fans, Barca fans, all these people, so they are getting the numbers. So they selected this team based on the fan base of the teams.
Okay.
But then,
Madam, whether you like it or not, you are going to say something. You are going to say something.
Okay.
So the big teams, they decided to break away to go for Super League. Now it'd be like some issues happen, so they are back to default settings. But you know what? It's okay.
On TS,
no. Okay. Do you know the big clubs in Europe? Can you name like 5 for me?
Chelsea.
Yeah, Chelsea.
Okay, Chelsea.
Real Madrid. Manchester.
Okay.
Manchester is a big club.
Manchester.
Hey, don't let me remove my duku. Manchester is not a big club.
Manchester
Manchester City.
Yeah.
So these clubs, they decided to go form Super League. That is where they are going to get money. You understand? They say they are going to get. They are going to give them a lot of money. Do you think that is a good idea?
It says money is involved here then.
On your football fans.
She doesn't follow football. So, but you see, people are also saying they did this not because they wanted to actually establish the league. They wanted to get the attention of the UEFA people because there have been some things that happen for them. Yeah, where they know they like.
Yeah.
So Florentino Perez, the squad, they actually wanted to trigger something, some changes and all those things.
No. It wasn't about triggering. They were actually going to do it.
No, but no.
Because bank net support now back home, JP Morgan.
Yeah, JP Morgan.
They are worth over 400 billion.
Yeah.
So even if the fans support or they don't support, they have the financial thing backing them already. So they don't need any Champions League or anything. They were going to do it.
Okay.
Right now, the only reason why they are not going to do it is some of the teams are backing out.
Yeah.
Chelsea, City.
I think most of the big teams.
They are out. So that's the only way it cannot work. But if the teams were staying in, come over.
So, but you think that is going to? But you see, another argument is imagine say Chelsea, Real Madrid, AC Milan or Inter Milan, all the big teams facing themselves every week.
It won't be nice.
You know, is it not going to be monotonous and boring?
Yeah, it will be boring because big games don't come every week. It's supposed to come like once a month.
Yeah.
Now the La Liga, Real Madrid, and Barcelona, but it's not supposed to be every single week.
But if they factored that into consideration, or don't you think like the league was going to die because it was going to
the Premier League was going to die because Manchester.
Do you think Premier League would have died?
It would die
because of maybe Chelsea and Manchester.
Manchester City.
We have Leicester. We have Wolves.
Wait. Now where do these people? The Premier League? Where do they make most of their money?
From the big clubs.
From the big clubs. Yeah. So these big 6 clubs are out of your league. People are not going to watch it. They won't watch the TV. They won't watch anything. They won't buy jerseys. They won't do anything. So the Premier League was going to fall out. Even Champions League was going to die out.
Yeah.
Because all the fan base are now supporting Super League. And it's played every week.
Okay.
It's played every week.
Yeah.
No. Like this in Premier League, La Liga, all will die out.
Anyway, the good thing is they are back. They are back to default settings, so we are going to get Champions League, the EPO, and whatever I enjoy. But at the end of the day, I feel like there are some things that the UEFA people they have to fix and all those things. I think the clubs are not getting enough money. That is why when you trigger them with money, now they all want to.
You see, that was what I'm saying. I said because money is involved. You said no.
You got that one. You got that one.
Sorry. No, that one is correct.
So sorry. Now we make the mistake. Sorry. Anyway, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is Sarkodie.
Yeah.
He announced. Is it 7th studio album or 6th? 7.
Yeah.
So he said he's going to release his 7th studio album, No Pressure.
Yeah.
And he released some trailer, or I don't know what that is. And this is his 7th.
So your version.
Yeah. more video, more version, more Sarkodie version. Look at that, bro. Don't think, bro. You go fit into you.
No, you can't.
Aquatic song.
You cannot can't.
See. You bend my hand wrong. So that is
what to saw me.
Yes, me that's Sarkodie one this but 7th studio album. He really they speed up.
He's a legend, bro.
Yeah,
he's a legend, and I really like. I was happy. I made a tweet say he's really starving us. So I also released it's a freestyle crowd fan to me and fine and check it out.
Now he released a song, No Fugazi. Me, I'm not a fan of that song because I feel like Sarkodie's pedigree, the pedestal we have put him on in the rap industry or in the rap game, shouldn't be rapping about drip and Air Force. That is my opinion. You can't change it. What do you think about the song? No Fugazi. It's basically preaching authenticity and things. I feel like that is for Gen Zs to argue and things. Argue about Air Force and wearing correct original Shada. You won't hear Jay-Z talking about I'm wearing original Adidas. No, he's preaching financial literacy and generational wealth. That is the level I want to see Sarkodie. But he said he wants to rap about.
And that's how he wants to do it.
No, I don't agree. But they continue. I don't agree. Maybe I don't agree. But continue.
And so what's nice now? I calculate say way by.
Now, but wait. Do you think? I mean, that is me. My opinion. A song like that.
Yeah.
Is it Grammy worthy?
I didn't get no.
I say Afrobeat. And on the album title, no, I see no pressure.
Okay.
So when you listen to the song, he's actually trying to give pressure. Say, say in Rolly. I mean, $50,000.
Do you think
me say? But I cannot agree with you because
who cares?
The level Sarkodie day, he's not supposed to be doing songs bragging about things you owe and stuff.
My point. We've been hearing this thing since he was sleeping on the bench in Poloo.
Yeah.
Yes. And I mean that bench is so Poloo.
Because you don't have to say we know you have.
We know. I mean I know Sarkodie no go buy fake. I know Sarkodie no go do this.
Yeah.
That is your life.
Brandon are not doing.
You are not supposed to rehash it in your song. Right. That is what I said. But his fan base. Okay. So that be the thing. That be my argument. I feel like at this point you don't have to come and tell us the Air Force nation here $10,000. Nobody cares. Banku no po ever share. Fugazi ni ever share. And you never Fugazi. Give us something, man. Something that we.
And now you say Ghana, so like most of our musicians, they do songs based on terms. Like Guru, Nia, the word Fugazi, you know, so amplifying. Maybe he wanted to amplify, say, oh, me they buy.
That is for a fire sticking job. Fire sticking job. Fire sticking on.
I think even Cardi B has used that word that time before.
Little Baby and some guy too has a song like that. Yeah. So your man copied or what?
No, so I copy.
Also a copy.
That Ghana.
No, you are saying no. Let's or
amplify.
No, you use your chest and say it.
Yeah.
You are saying that Sarkodie copied the concept of the song.
I didn't say he copied.
No,
I said how did that?
But then
Una okan.
Yeah, me. Una
okan.
No, una okan.
Can they free?
Me can crofon ne
can they free? Me can say what we are.
O do say den.
Me say I didn't know how did that.
Okay.
Intin ebi o person amplify term no Ghana because Ghanaians are they are used to amplifying terms.
Do you think we need Sarkodie to tell us that?
Now Fugazi no nim say Ghana for nyina no muni.
Now, but do you think that is what we need as an come on?
No, we don't need that.
We don't need that. That's what I'm saying. Or are they lying?
We don't need that.
No, if you think I'm lying, slap me.
But maybe when he a teaser, okay,
yes, that's why I'm just trying to relax and see what
this song is just a teaser. Maybe he has better songs.
Yeah, because if the direction of the album is going to be about this, then why bother?
No, I think it makes sense because no pressure. And no more pressure. Say me will say.
Oh, but man,
pressure. Yeah.
That is the. Oh God.
All my pressure.
Anyway,
I know it. Yeah.
We are getting to the end of the show, but let's do this story. This is an international story. The Derek, Chauvin said then the guy who stepped on the neck of George Floyd.
Yeah.
He was found guilty this weekend, Charlie. I said he will go inside. But the family, they are happy. Say finally some justice. Then things they come. But
you know what's funny? When they were making the judgment, you know, why him said he was expecting something different.
Yeah.
Like what do you expect?
They say found guilty. I say what? Bro, you are going in. You go now. But you see that I don't know. I read somewhere they say since he's the first offender, so then no, you go if you go inside like 5 years and all those things. I don't know, but I read some. Oh no, I'm not sure they work. I'll press you kuno.
But me,
and I said, "Meda
I was actually happy when I heard that he was guilty and then he was going to be convicted because blacks are now being.
But black people are being shot. Yeah. Recently, I think like last week or inside and shoot some girl being like it is happening. Bad. I don't understand.
It's racism,
and you see that is why I'm saying I don't. This is supposed to bring
that shootings in there go deep.
Yeah, they're just killing them left, right.
That's why they introduced the gay into Africa, because the black race is a threat to the white people.
That is what you think?
Yeah, any black person, only Obroni, Chinese, any race, when you give birth, the child is black. So they've calculated, say, in the next 200 years.
Who calculated it?
That is there.
Who?
No, in the next 200 years.
Concrete
statistics. I'm telling you, it's there.
Where?
Konako check it.
Where?
Konako check it.
Where you from?
I'm can't show.
What's the mean? What check it from? Because I want to go and check.
I'm can't show.
Young can't show me.
In the next 200 years, I'm calculating. We say the black race. No man take it. The black race will over them. The whole world will be full of black people. So what do we have to do? We have to start killing them. Introduce gay. When you are gay, you are not going to multiply. Then they will be multiplying and being because
this is a conspiracy theory.
Now, a conspiracy theory.
Now, I mean, because you have not backed what you are saying with facts.
You don't need it.
I need facts.
Which facts?
Facts to back your claim.
Okay.
That they are calculating on all those things.
They are doing it. It's there.
Where?
You don't know.
You watch a lot of YouTube videos.
I sleep on YouTube. So I know.
No, but that is conspiracy.
Conspiracy is fact.
Do you believe what he's saying?
I think he's just predicting.
Is what?
Predicting.
I'm predicting.
Yeah, this is predictive thinking.
Have you faced racism before?
Have you faced racism before?
Yeah.
Where?
Where the home bank?
No.
It's real, bro.
I was from you because I want to know.
It's real. Oh, to kind you face it everywhere.
You have traveled, right?
Yeah, I've traveled.
Have you faced it?
I've faced it.
How did
and
you?
I'm telling you, sir, this racism is because of they are scared of us.
That is what you think.
It's fact. It goes into the genes. The child is black. In the next 200 years.
That is different from what.
It's fact.
What has that got to do with racism?
That's the racism. Who didn't say anything again? They want Africans to do gay.
But someone's sexual orientation should be their business.
It's their business.
Yeah.
But then when you are gay, you are not going to multiply.
They can.
Your black race, Ebola, all these things they created it to.
Have you heard of artificial insemination?
Yeah.
So they can still produce.
Anyway,
so but their president has apologized to
who?
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, finally some justice and things. So I hope say he's going to be. Locked and all. I want him to be locked and things. What I say. But yes, Charlie, your show. I say you. I know you guys are enjoying it, but you. I say your go baby. Do you know what I say? But Charlie. What is happening? I mean, where can people follow you on social media platform? You are an influencer. I'm on Gigi Stan. #warriors. Give it to them. Where can people follow you?
Okay, you can follow me on Instagram, Rukky Possh, like everywhere. Maybe I will be on Rukky Possh, Twitter.
Rukky Possh.
Rukky Possh.
Rukky Possh. Wow. Boss, I ain't find it. What I say YouTube now?
Maybe everywhere. Malik Ofori.
Malik Ofori.
YouTube, Twitter, everywhere. Malik Ofori.
Thanks for coming. Next week, Charlie, I appreciate it. I enjoyed the show, Pam. My head inside all the beam. Madam, thank you. I did love your destiny for teaching me. You say me, I'll be Duku person.
Duku no baby, I have a metro.
Exactly.
Duku gang.
You bab. Anyway, so yes, I had this show in the see me. Then you Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. Same time next week, we are coming to cause violence and rioting of the order into the social media spectrum of things. Mapon.